How to get higher FPS in CS2. So first, you just simply need to go to your settings. Once you're there, you just need to go to video right here, then go to advanced video. Now, once you're right there, you simply need to go down till you see the fidelity FX super resolution. So make sure that you set this to performance if you want the best possible FPS that you can have. But if you also want some quality over, but it still has a good performance or still has good FPS, you could go with quality right here on the fidelity FX super resolution. And if you want a somehow balanced gameplay, uh, you have good performance and balanced quality and balanced performance, go with the balance right here. But for me, I'm good with quality since I can get good FPS. I'm satisfied with my FPS on quality. But if you're not satisfied with your FPS or with your performance or CS2's performance, you just simply need to select the performance right here. And what this basically does is it may improve performance by rendering at reduced resolution and upscaling using a high quality spatial technique. And that's basically it.